Can you see someone's friends list on Snapchat? Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. In today's video, let us see if you can see someone's friend list on Snapchat. So go ahead and open Snapchat on your device and make sure you are signed in, and further open the profile of the individual whose friend list you are trying to look forward to. Now tap on their name, and here, as you can see, there's no option to see their friends list. So, unfortunately, Snapchat does not allow users to view someone else's friends list or best friends list. These lists are private and visible only to the account owner. However, a quick workaround is you can go to the Quick Add tab, as Snapchat's Quick Add list suggests accounts with mutual connection. This might hint at shared social circles, but it won't show the actual best friends or friends list. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.